Guys, do you need a little bit of horsepower under the hood? Yeah, who doesn't? So here's the deal. Check out my brand new brand, Horsepower Sweepstakes. This is our second giveaway. Here's what you get. Vortech V1 Supercharger kit, AFR 185 heads, Holley System Max intake, and an Anderson B31 Supercharger cam. And just because it's the holiday season, I'm also throwing in a LMR $250 e-gift card to help out get everything installed. So hit Horsepower Sweepstakes, grab your key tag to get entered, and we just may be sending you a whole lot of horsepower. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Guys, we haven't actually done the video of doing quarter glasses when the car is not actually getting painted, but since my old buddy Nick Strong came back to the light and got his Fox body back, it was time, right?
Oh yeah.
You gotta give us some love, dude.
Yeah, it needed this for sure.
For
32-year-old windows look like crap.
So here you go, guys. We're gonna give you a. We did the video a while back about the easiest way to do your core support. My God, dude, I just need to go home. Anyway, we did the video a while back about doing your heater core an easier way. So doing the hatchback quarter glasses can be an extremely big pain in the ass, but we're doing it with minimal intrusion. As you can see, we did not take the rear folding seats out. I'll go ahead and tell you, it makes life a lot easier because you can pull these panels out a lot farther. But as you can see, we got them. Now, let me go ahead and tell you, before we go any farther, you're gonna cuss. You're gonna cuss because, like, some of these you cannot see. And I'll go over here to the other one though. Like this one you can't see. This one you can't see, and I believe it's this one. The rest of them are actually fairly simple.
It's just like those three.
Yeah.
That you just can't see.
And you gotta just fat finger them. But as you can see right here, you pull these back, you've got enough room. Now I would definitely recommend using an electric ratchet so you can slide it in there. Plus you got light on it. But as you can see, the back seat is still in and they're out. I'm not saying we didn't cuss a lot, but they're out. So guys, if you're not familiar with the LMR quarter windows, here's the deal. I put these in Pop's car, a set's going in my car, and we put them in Project Two-Tone, and I have absolutely zero complaints. Hey, quiet on the set here. We're trying to film here.
Damn it.
all right. Back to the show here. But guys, I've never had a single issue with them. The key is install these things right, and you'll never have an issue. LMR has a fantastic video on how to install these the right way, and you definitely got to follow those. Otherwise, you'll have a couple of different things. One of the least of not which could be the actual window itself falling out because the studs separate. But again, do the job right, you won't have any issues. All right, next important thing, hit up LMR, because I mean, obviously when you're getting your quarter windows, you're hitting up LMR, but don't be a cheap ass, buy the kit, because you're gonna lose several of these nuts trying to get those things out, and they're gonna fall down in the body, and you're gonna be cussing.
You're gonna cuss even more.
You're gonna cuss a lot, because we did. I mean, we lost probably 3 of them. They fall down in the body, but this is the LMR quarter glass install kit. You got all new nuts, and they've got the butyl already in the nut, which is very important. And of course, your butyl itself, very, very important. Like I said, guys, we're not doing a step-by-step tutorial, just kind of showing you that you can do it without completely removing those panels, which makes life a lot easier. But one of the most important steps is your mating surface where your butyl goes is clean. All right, boys, nice and clean. A little light scuff. All your old butyl gone. Got the old butyl laid down. And that's exactly what you can tell on the old factory quarter windows. Low center, where I put the seam for it. But All right, put these bad boys in. Like I said, guys, it's mostly the butyl that holds these windows in, not these. I think we're about ready. Put this in. We're pretty well prepped and ready to rock on this side.
Yeah, I think it's pretty close, yep.
Yeah. And like I said, a little light scuff with like that 3M pad. There should be good to go. She looking good under the hood though.
Not bad for a little budget car.
Yeah. Little hot rods, like Pop's car's older brother or something, you know?
Oh, yeah, that's weird.
We're gonna make him sweat a little bit today. Don't mess that butyl up either. That's it, just kind of get your tab in there. There you go. Yeah. Yeah. Yes, sir. You can give her one, maybe two Ooga Doogas if you want to. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
I guess the nuts kind of secure it down where it kind of pulls the
Yeah,
tight.
the nuts will pull it in a little bit. We ain't gonna go not too tight. Alright, I guess it's time to put it back down. What a difference already, right?
Yeah, just sitting it there. That's, I wish we'd have got a before video because those other.
Yeah.
Check,
Well, here's the
windows.
other windows. There's
They
the
were pretty ate
originals.
up.
Yeah, there wasn't much left of those things.
I don't even think the video even does it justice. They're just
White.
they're like really bad scuffed up.
Yeah, which it's a 90. I mean,
Drove me crazy though.
what are you gonna do? But
It was like the one sore spot on the car. Everything else looks pretty decent on it.
yeah.
You get to the car windows, you're like,
Oh, they make a difference. That is for sure.
definitely.
All right, boys. So they're fully secured, and I've said this 100 times. Hit up this guy right here. I'll show it again, but you got your Mustang stickers. That's what we did in Pop's car. Two-tone, and of course my car. But if you just search Mustang quarter glass stickers on eBay, it'll pull up. But here's his information too. Instagram at first1st Cobra. But yeah, like $9, and he sends you 2 sets in case you screw up. But like I said, just stick them right there, and the only way you can actually tell is if you run your fingernail across it.
Oh yeah.
I love it. But we gotta get this other window in. Yeah.
We'll save some and start leaking. You can take it back out.
I don't know what it was. I just kind of left it hanging there.
Sometimes
You probably need
factories
to
have
come up
locator
just a hair.
things and stuff.
Here, let me open this door for
Okay.
you. There you go. Going in. Just that little bit of difference makes the
Oh man, big difference.
whole car.
Okay.
Yeah. Come up just a hair. Yeah.
It doesn't make a big difference when you put that
Mhm.
glasses.
It especially needed on this car. This car.
It's a slick car anyway.
Yeah, these were terrible.
And that wasn't going to do any justice.
It was. I mean, look at
There we go.
look at this.
Hey Nick, pull this up. We'll just.
Yeah.
Yeah, they were.
Yeah,
Just,
they were bad.
they were terrible.
Try to come forward and up just a hair. Tighten that lip up. Cool.
Yeah, they
All right, so the final product. And of course, got the stickers on there. What do you think, Nick?
Man, it looks great. Big improvement on this car. Big
Yeah.
time. Well worth the $500.
Yeah. What a job.
We cussed though.
Yeah, we did cuss.
We cussed more than once.
Those little interior screws will make you cuss every time.
And there may or may not be a couple of incorrect screws back in the interior, but it's all together.
Yeah, they're laid down. Alex bought the Mustang stickers on there nice and straight. She looking good. It's like Pop's car's like older brother.
Yeah.
Actually, no, this would be a younger brother because Pop's is 89.
Yeah, yeah.
But
One year younger.
she looks good, dude.
Yeah, man, it looks much better.
So you gonna lead the crews at Ford Takeover in this one this year?
Oh yeah. I guess it just depends on which one I feel like driving the day of.
Yep. But, I mean, the money, the Pony R's.
Oh yeah, the chrome ponies. Yeah.
Yeah, black interior. Now, a lot of guys haven't watched since 2018. Didn't know where this car came from. I mean, it's pretty awesome.
It came a long way since them days.
Yeah, for sure. All right, boys. So, roughly actual work time, about 3 hours. And that's taking your time, tightening the windows down evenly, making sure the butyl's sitting exactly where you want it, getting all the little freaking screws back in their little spots. And you're going to have holes that are wallered out and cracked and all that. It's just part of it. But roughly about 3 hours of actual work time. Throw them quarter glasses in. The difference is amazing. Nick's car is looking great. And if yours need it, definitely recommend it. Definitely recommend. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. If you did, big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. We'll catch you on the next one.